An emperor and a wise old man. A Japanese emperor had a set of 30 glass bowls. It was the finest collection of its kind in the world. The emperor was very proud of this rare collection. One day, one of the courtiers of the emperor broke a glass bowl by accident. The emperor was very angry. He passed death sentence on the courtier. But before the man was put to death, an old man came to know about it. He went to the emperor's court and said, "I know the art of repairing a broken glass bowl. Once I have repaired it, it will look its original self." The emperor felt very happy to hear this. He showed the old man the collection of his glass bowls. He said, "Here are 29 glass bowls. One glass bowl from the set of 30 is broken. Repair the broken glass bowl and I'll pay you whatever you ask for." The old man raised his metal stick and broke all the 29 glass bowls. The emperor was red in anger. He cried out, "You idiot! What have you done?" The old man calmly replied, "I have done my duty. Each of these glass bowls would have taken one human life. Now you can take only one life, and that is mine." The old man's wisdom and boldness pleased the emperor. He forgave the old man and the courtier, too.